Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get VIP1 tag on Blockman Go app. If you want to get that VIP tag on your name, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the face icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on it. Here you can find the option of a VIP0. Simply tap on it. Finally, to get the VIP1 tag, you need to recharge. Tap onto the recharge button right here and you will see something like this. Now to get the VIP1 tag, you need to buy the gold blocks. Now tap onto the one gold block that you want to buy and you can buy it easily. And only after that, you can recharge your VIP section and get the VIP tag. And that's it. This is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.